Hi friends, this is Steph from Hofkist, and I'm here with my daughter Michaela. Say hi, Michaela.
Hi.
And we're bringing you a whole new kids club kit. So I used to offer kids clubs. I tried about every month here in the studio in Guelph, Ontario. But instead of doing that, because life gets busy and people aren't always able to make it with other commitments on the weekends, so Michaela and I came up with an idea to offer kids club kits to go. So instead of in studio, people can pick up the kits in my studio here in Guelph. They will be released twice a month, so on the 1st of the month and the 15th of the month. And today's video is showcasing the first kit that will be available September 1st. And I will always have a video tutorial here on YouTube and my Facebook page of how to put it together. So Michaela and I are going to show you how to do this kit. So we came up with a memory card game kit. So you will get all the pieces you need to create your own memory card game. The cost of the kit is only $5. So every 2 weeks, the kit will be something different. So September 1st, you are getting a memory card kit. So in your kit, you are going to have 16 foam squares, 16 white pieces of paper, and 16 double-sided patterned pieces of paper. So to put together your memory card game, all you're going to do, and the felt colors are going to be different per pack. So you might not have blue, you might have pink or orange or yellow, black. What other colors do we have, Michaela? You forget? I don't know what
Purple.
I've said. Purple. A light pink, a dark pink. Anyway, so the point is this felt color is going to be different. So to assemble your kit, all you're going to do is peel off the backing. It's self-adhesive foam. So you're going to peel it off, right, Michaela?
Yeah.
And let's put together the pattern paper. So you're going to have 2 of each. You're going to choose which side you want and make sure that you create 2 squares with the same pattern paper. That's important in memory, right, Michaela?
Yeah.
Okay, so put this one facing up. Correct. Okay, so we've done 2. Let's do another one. Oh, let's come on camera here. Okay, peel this off. And let's do the chevron now. Now, the only other thing that you might need for this kit are a pair of scissors. Because, let's see this one? Maybe the measurement was a little bit off, or I put it on wrong, and you're just going to want to snip it so it doesn't hang over. Okay, chevron. Next is a fox, Michaela says. All right, let's peel that off. Let's do the fox, Michaela. Well, see, I can see this one's already overhanging, so we're going to cut that. No problem.
And this one too.
Okay. Now let's, where? This side? Okay. So that's the only other thing that you'll need for this month's kit. Is that one giving you trouble, Michaela?
Yeah.
Okay, pick another one and I'll do that one.
This one was already peeled a little.
Let's do mushrooms.
And then dot.
I'll cut this one.
This one's overhanging.
All right, let's move that out of the way. So, for September 1st, 2018, this is the kit. So you get to put together your own memory card game. So Michaela's going to finish off that one. We'll just move these other squares out of the way. And if you're not familiar with memory, we're going to trim that one. Okay, and you're going to give them a little shuffle here, right? And you're going to lay them all out on the table. Now, again, you're going to have 16 squares, but for the sake of the video, we're just going to do a few here. Okay, Michaela, flip one over, flip another one, see if you have a match. Oh, lucky. All right, go again. Nope. And the trick is to remember where they are. So you keep playing. Now, you might be asking, why do you get the white squares? So they're totally blank. So Michaela, why would you get white squares in here?
Because so you can do like your own design on them.
Right. So if you don't want to do the pattern paper, you can adhere the white squares to the back of them, and you can do your own things. So you can add stickers. You could, what else could you do?
Write words.
Write words. Write your family member names. Right.
Draw pictures.
Yeah, draw pictures. All sorts of things. You can color them if you want, so you have colors.
Write numbers.
Write numbers. So many ideas. The ideas are endless. So you can do that instead of the pattern paper. And you could also, if you get tired of the pattern paper, you can glue this over top. All you would need is some glue. So the options are endless. So again, September 1st, 2018, this kit will be released. We will have these tutorial videos on my Facebook page up here, facebook.com/Hofkist, and they will be posted to YouTube. Every 2 weeks there's a different kit available. This is available September 1st. Quantities are limited, so make sure that you order yours. Only $5, and your kid gets to do something a little bit crafty. So that's it for today. Have a great day. Say bye, Michaela.
Bye.